Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Hamad Ilyas. I am a student of Comsa University BCS. Today our topic is Shahi Killa. There are some good tests which we will be discussed over today. First of all, we will discuss about history of Shahi Killa. The Lahore Fort is known as Shahi Killa. It is situated in the historic city of Pakistan, Lahore. This historic fort was built in 11th century and then it was rebuilt in 17th century. This has carried on many renovations and changes after its manufacturing. The region. The region of the fort goes as far back as antiquity. However, the existing base structure was built during the reign of Mughal Emperor Akbar from 1556 to 1605 and was regularly upgraded by subsequent rulers, having 13 gates in all. Some of the famous sites inside the fort include Sheesh Mahal, Alamgiri Gate, Nolakha Pavilion, and Moti Masjid. In 1981, the fort was inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site along with the Shalimar Gardens, Lahore. This is a map of Shahi Killa. There are two gates of Shahi Killa. First, Akbari Gate. During the period of 1566 AD, Akbari Gate was built by the Emperor Akbar. A Badshahi Mosque was built in 1614 by the Empress outside the Akbari Gate and it is still present there. It is called the Eastern Gate and Masti Gate. Second, Alamgiri Gate. Alamgiri Gate is one of the disciplined structure and it is a parameter of grace and dignity. The gate is located on the west end of the fort and this is a major entrance to the Lahore fort. It was built by Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb in the year 1674. Next, Moti Masjid. The Moti Masjid is one of the Pearl mosques, is a mosque dating from the Shah Jahan period that is located on the western side of Lahore Fort, closer to Alamgiri Gate. It is situated in the northwestern corner of Diwan-e-Am. The white marble structure is among its prominent extensions. After the demise of Mughal Empire, the mosque was converted into Sikh temple and renamed Moti Mandir when British took over Punjab in 1849. They discovered precious stones wrapped in bits of rag and placed in velvet purses inside the mosque, along with other inventory. The major structure of Shahi Killa. Shah Jahan Quadrangle. First, Diwan-e-Khas. In contrast to the Diwan-e-Am, the Diwan-e-Khas served as a hall where the emperor would attend to matters of the state, and state guests were received. The hall was site of elaborate with procession of up to 1 hour long occurring before each audience session. Next, the Khabgah of Shah Jahan. Khabgah was the bedroom of Shah Jahan. It was built by Shah Jahan under the supervision of Wazir Khan in 1634 during his first visit to the city. 5 sleeping chambers are aligned in a single row. The chambers feature curved marble screen and are decorated with inlined white marble. It is first building by Shah Jahan in the fort. At present, its decoration having vanished except for the trace of the marble. Next, Jahangir Quadrangle. Diwan-e-Am. The Diwan-e-Am was built by Shah Jahan in 1628 in a prominent part of the fort immediately south of Jahangir Quadrangle. It was built in a Persian style 40 pillars public audience hall. The Diwan-e-Am was used a hall for the emperors to hold audience with commerce. Shah Jahan Diwan-e-Am was destroyed in 1841 when the son of Ranjit Singh Sher Singh bombarded the fort in his fight. The current structure was built by British in 1849 after their victory against Sikhs. Next, Khabgah of Jahangir. The Jahangir quadrangle is bordered on its northern edge by Jahangir's sleeping chamber, the Bari Khabgah, which was largely reconstructed during the British era. Shahboj Quadrangle. Next, Sheesh Mahal. The Sheesh Mahal, the Palace of Mirrors, is located in Jahangir's Shahboj block in the northwestern part of the fort. It was constructed in the region of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in 1631-32 by Mirza Ghiyas Beg, the grandfather of Mumtaz Mahal and the father of Noor Jahan. It is the most decorated palace placed in the fort with glass walls, small pieces of colored mirror covered the walls and ceiling. Next, Summer Palace. Located directly beneath the Shish Mahal and Shahboj Quadrangle is the Summer Palace. Also known as the Pari Mahal or Fairy Palace, they were used as a residence during hot weather months as they were cooled by effective ventilation system that channeled cool breezes into the palace. The palace flooring system also helped cool the space. Its floors were made of two layers that were separated by a layer of water pumped in from Ravi River. There are some references: Wikipedia, International Council on Monuments and Sites, The Empire of Great Mughal History, Art and Culture, Life and Work of Guru Arjan History. Thank you.